domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, to ordain and establish this Constitution of the United States of America. A Declaration of Rights made by the good people of Virginia in the exercise of their sovereign powers, which rights do pertain to them and their posterity as the basis and foundation of government. So begins the preambles to the United States Constitution and the Constitution of Virginia. We have two different constitutions under which we live because of the nature of federalism. Federalism is the division of power between the national government and the state governments. This way, the national government can take care of issues of national concern, and the state governments can take care of state concerns. Virginia has a constitution. All state constitutions must be approved by Congress. Virginia has had 6 different constitutions since the birth of our nation in 1776. The most recent was ratified in 1971. It calls for a 3-branch government: a legislative branch, which makes the laws, an executive branch, which enforces the laws, and a judicial branch, which interprets the laws. The representatives of the legislature and the executive branch must be elected directly by the people. Virginia's Constitution includes a very lengthy Bill of Rights, which includes 17 different sections. Virginia's Constitution includes an amendment process. All amendments are going to be proposed by the General Assembly, but every amendment must be ratified directly by the people through a popular vote. This allows Virginia's government to keep up with the changing times and changing needs of this diverse state. The center of Virginia's government is in its capital. The capital of Virginia is Richmond. This is where one would find the state capitol building and the governor's mansion. Virginia is divided into 3 basic geographic regions: the Tidewater, which is the coastal plain; the Piedmont, which is the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains; and the Appalachian Mountains. This diverse geography gives us very diverse needs. Virginia is a commonwealth. A commonwealth is a political unit founded in law and united by the agreement of the people for the common good. Informed individuals can have a great impact on policymakers. Individuals and interest groups influence public policy at both the state and local levels. Individuals can influence public policy in a variety of ways. They may participate in politics through voting, campaigning, or seeking office themselves. Individuals can express their own opinions through lobbying, through demonstrating, writing letters, blogging, speaking at public hearings, petitioning. They can even meet directly with state and local officials. They can have service on commissions and boards. Individuals can provide officials with accurate and detailed information, and they may join interest groups or political parties themselves. Different ways that interest groups influence public policy. Remember that interest groups try to influence public policy in all branches and at all levels. They may identify the issues. They may stimulate interest in public affairs. They may work to build a positive image for the group. Interest groups organize individuals of like-minded interests. They provide useful information to government officials. And they engage in lobbying to persuade policymakers to share that group's point of view. Virginia has a rich tradition of representative government. Since the House of Burgesses met for the first time in 1619, it has operated continuously. Virginia claims the longest living democratic process in the world.